you want to say something? Yes? Yes, of course.
Thank you very much. Dear friend, Professor, the Vice Rector of UNESCO EHE and colleagues of Gibojo and the Rwandan community here and the Friends of Rwanda here. I have also, I was about to say that I'm happy to be here this evening, and normally is how to start our speeches. Say, we are pleased to be here this evening. Yes, yes I am, but at the same time it's a mixed feeling because as Gibojo is leaving us, he's going for a new adventure in Rwanda. For us at Embassy of Rwanda in Rwandan community, it's of course a pleasure that you chose to spend the new adventures and the next years in Rwanda. But at the same time, we've been missing you because we've been doing a lot of together. We did a lot when we have Rwandan activities as a community, when we have the commemoration event here in UNESCO EHE. We know that you play the key role. We know how you support Rwandan students when they arrive here and until they finish their studies, and that we know also that you have good contacts with former students of UNESCO EHE back in Rwanda. So it is a mixed feeling that we are going to miss you, but also at the same time, we know that when we go back to Rwanda, we'll be seeing you. So I'm happy, and at the same time, it's, you know, I don't know how to describe the feeling that I have today. So I got to know Gibojo actually 5 years ago when he came for the first time in Rwanda. And through a common friend, Mr. Egide Muranga, who is also a former student of UNESCO EHE. I think he was here in 2004, 2005. So I got to know him, and I remember that evening, that afternoon, we spent a good afternoon, you know, on the shores of Lake Muhazi in Rwanda. It is a beautiful lake over there. So it's where we used to have a club of, you know, walking people, former sportsmen. When we can't, you know, continue with, you know, sports activities, what we do is just walking activities. You know, Rwanda is so hilly. So when you walk a lot and you walk like 10 kilometers, it's like playing a football game or 3 football games. So in our club of walking club, so he came there and we spent a good afternoon there. But that time I didn't know that maybe you know, few years ago or later that I will meet you here, and I was happy to meet you here and see that you are still connected to Rwanda. I didn't know that you were still connected to Rwanda. I was so happy to work with you and the Rwandan community here. Since I'm here, I think we saw like 3 intakes actually. Yeah, 3 groups actually graduated here since I came here. And I really appreciated how you are working with Rwanda, how you are helping students to get really settled, well settled in these beautiful institutions. And we appreciate a lot what you did for our community, our students, and Rwandan community in general. But also we we recognize the role we play in this project we have of collecting computers and send them to Rwanda. So since I'm here, now we have the second batch of computers. We have some computers already ready to go to Rwanda, and I can tell you that those computers are making really changes in the lives of Rwandan orphans of genocide. Some of them used to have a computer, sharing one computer, a group of 20 people, 20 young people sharing one computer, but today they can share it, by two. So it is really making a lot of impact over there. And I can assure you that if we continue, as you assured me and your former director as well, we need to have really this program continuing, and if I heard very well, there is a candidate to continue the program, and really I'm very happy that we are going to continue this program together, and actually continuing to support our students or our young orphans in Rwanda to make their dreams come true. So I don't want to say goodbye because I'm sure I will meet you very soon in Rwanda. But let me say again, thank you very much for what you did for our community. Thank you for what you did for our students here. And thank you for what you did to make this project successful. And thank you for the new project that you are going to start. Before I came here in diplomatic mission, I used to work for the Ministry of Sports and Culture, and one of actually our challenges is actually to have professional dancers. And as we discussed a lot, we are going to really to try and to build, or to bring in professionalism in what our dancers are doing in Rwanda by starting the Festival School of Dance in Rwanda. So I'm sure it will be a success, and I want to assure you that you can count on me and count on my colleagues here at the embassy, and even my colleagues back in Rwanda. Everybody in charge of this program, we make everything possible to help you, to assist you, to make your dreams come true. And I hope you spend more and more years in Rwanda, because I'm sure this program will be successful. So before I close my remarks, I want to ask Joy, maybe we have the present from my colleagues. Yes, Joy, you can hand over the gift. This is a small present for you to recognize what we did together for our friendship, and so see you soon in Kigali. Thank you very much. Can open.
Yes, I will need this.
This is a book written by one of my colleagues, Joy. It's called Rwanda's Rwanda. Yes. And if you can read the forward note is by Professor Andras Salosi Nagy, former rector of UNESCO Yetri. So this is a book talking about Rwanda in general, the manners and other cultural things. So you need that to, to get well settled in Rwanda. You'll find everything inside.
if you ever go to Rwanda, I tell you, I know the book, but I can tell you, you will really need it. So, and this is the author.
Como jest? Ambrozy, może wiatr. Wiatr. Of course, there is one and coffee inside.
And the coffee in Rwanda is exceptionally good, I can tell you.
This is being roasted in here in the head. So, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Is there anyone else who wants to make a contribution by using the microphone? If not, thank you. I wish to thank you for everything you did for us and wish you all my luck in coming home. See you.
I missed you.